The road hums softly under the rising sun, and then, like a dream coming to life, it appears. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus. A creation that transforms travel into art. This isn't just a bus. It's a moving home built for explorers who chase horizons and crave comfort and motion. Welcome back to Auto Big 5, the place where wheels meet wonder and every journey tells a new story. Today, we're stepping inside Toyota's latest marvel, a motorhome bus that blends power, beauty, and innovation like never before. From the very first glance, the 2026 Toyota Camper Bus commands attention with a design that feels both futuristic and timeless. Its sleek Aeroflow body cuts through the air with grace, while the bold chrome-lined grille proudly bears the Toyota emblem, glimmering under daylight. Razor-thin LED matrix headlights sweep outward like wings of light, giving it a bold and modern expression. The sculpted side panels and full-width rear LED bar highlight Toyota's attention to refined detail. Dual panoramic windows stretch across the sides, giving the illusion of motion even when the bus is perfectly still. Taller, sleeker, and more aerodynamic than its 2024 predecessor, the body is crafted from lightweight aluminum composite, strong yet efficient, reducing drag for smoother performance. Now let's talk about the heart beneath that stunning design, the engine. Toyota introduces a new 4.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V8, delivering an incredible 670 horsepower and 880 Nm of torque. Paired with dual electric motors, the eDrive boost system ensures instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a silent drive that feels almost futuristic. The hybrid system is fine-tuned with a 10-speed smart shift transmission, offering seamless transitions whether you're gliding across highways or powering uphill. Compared to the older 4.0-liter V6 hybrid, this new powerhouse is 25% more fuel-efficient, quieter, and far smoother. With its active motion suspension 2.0, the ride adapts in real time to changing road conditions, making you feel like you're floating above the ground. Step inside, and the experience transforms from mechanical to magical. The interior feels more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. The lounge and dining area welcome you with plush white leather recliners that curve gracefully around a floating oak table. Massive panoramic windows make every passing scene feel like your own private movie. Soft ambient lighting shifts tones with the time of day. Warm amber during sunset, cool silver by dawn. It's serenity in motion. The kitchen is compact yet refined. Dual induction burners with touch controls, a silent smart refrigerator, and illuminated cabinets with soft close drawers. Every surface gleams with brushed steel and natural grain wood, while an integrated air purifier filters the outside air before it enters, keeping the cabin fresh and clean. The bathroom mirrors the luxury of a yacht, featuring a rainfall shower with temperature memory, a touch-lit mirror, marble-textured floors, and an advanced water recirculation system that conserves without compromise. Then comes the bedroom, your private sanctuary on wheels. A queen-size adaptive mattress rests under a smart skylight roof that fades from clear to tinted with one tap. Hidden LED lines softly illuminate the walls, and a retractable screen folds down from the ceiling, turning the space into your own private cinema. Finally, the driver's cabin and a blend of control and calm. A fully digital cockpit, AI-powered navigation that learns your driving habits, and 360-degree cameras that ensure total awareness on every side. The steering feels light yet grounded, responsive yet relaxing, the perfect balance of technology and comfort. Every inch of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus feels elevated beyond its predecessors. Stronger engine, smarter design, and interiors that whisper elegance. As the sun sets and the open road stretches endlessly ahead, this masterpiece glides forward, elegant, powerful, and alive. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a companion for those who see the world as home. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, only on Auto Big 5, where every road leads to something beautiful.